In this lesson, we will be sharing more about permissions and user roles within Stylezone. By highlighting the key differences between roles across the platform, users will gain a better understanding of the organizational structure of Stylezone. To start, there are two general permission types: the user role and group role. The user role sits at the highest level and affects the user's global experience within the site. There are three available user roles, which are admins, members, and external users. Here is an overview of each user role. For most brands, admins and members are usually going to include the brand's direct employees. Admins reflect the brand employees who will have the rights to administer the site and its users. They are also able to upload and edit content, participate in site comments and activities, and have full visibility to site content and features. Members are able to do these actions as well, but will not have the ability to administer the site and its users. The third user role is external users, who would likely be suppliers or external collaborators. External users can upload and edit content, participate in site comments and activities, and will have partial visibility to site content and features. Users will be assigned a user role by their site administrator when an account is first created for them. If necessary, user roles can also be changed later by an administrator. Here's an example of a company's permission role structure in Stylezone. This example structure for Browswear Fashion & Co. uses some common apparel job titles, but roles may differ from brand to brand. We have the head of 3D production in the company who oversees all the users and suppliers on their Stylezone site. Thus, she is the admin and will be able to edit and adjust user roles and settings for all other users. We have the brand's employees, like the fashion designer and merchandiser, who will need to utilize the site to collate styles and review the styles uploaded by suppliers. These users are added as members in the site. Lastly, we have the suppliers, who need to upload styles onto the site, but since they do not belong to Browswear Fashion & Co., they are added as external users. As mentioned in the previous lesson, user roles will affect the system drop-down menu. Here is the view for admins, the members, and for external users. Next, we will cover group roles. This designation only affects a user's permissions within an individual group, and users may be assigned various roles across different groups. Again, we have three different group roles that will be assigned to users: moderator, contributor, and reviewer. Within Stylezone groups, group moderators can do the following: add or remove users from groups, create boards, view all the styles in a group, add, remove, and share styles, set status labels, and comment on styles. Group contributors can do the following: create boards, view all styles in a group, add, remove, and share styles, set status labels, and comment on styles. Group reviewers can only do the following: view all the styles in a group, set status labels, and comment on styles. As an example, we have created a group on our site for supplier A to upload all their styles into. We've added user profiles for the fashion designer, merchandiser, and supplier A. The brand administrator can then assign group roles to these users. The site admin and the fashion designer will be delegated as group moderators. The merchandiser will be given the group role of reviewer, as they only need to view and comment on styles, and the supplier is given the group role of contributor, as they need to upload styles into the group. A useful note for administrators when delegating these group roles is to recognize that any moderators and contributors within the group can use the edit style functions. In other words, only moderators and contributors have the ability to add images and resources to styles that they have uploaded or to styles that have been uploaded by other group members. Additionally, they can input other details into the style information fields. This functionality is not available to group members assigned the role of reviewer. And that is an overview of the structure of Stylezone as determined by user roles and their associated permissions. For further information about these roles and how they apply to your own Stylezone interface, we invite you to visit the Browswear Help Center and continue your learning into the next lesson.